Here we have a 2025 Chevy Silverado 2500 HD. This is the ZR2. This truck's amazing. Big old black truck. We wrapped this whole thing in PPF, put a ceramic coating on it, and even tinted the windows. The whole shebang on this thing. Let's do a quick walk around and show you our work. Check out the hood, all done in one piece. Headlights are done. Grill piece is done. Upper bumper, lower bumper, skid plate. Headlights are done. Fenders are done. We took the emblems off, put them back on. We take these out so the film goes underneath. Take that out, film goes underneath. Mirror caps are done. Just not much, just this little piece. Doors are done. We take the door handles off so we can go underneath, get inside nice clean. A-pillars are done in one piece. Chevy was already blacked out when it got here. Overall, this truck was pretty fun to work on. Tinted the windows in 25% ceramic IR by 3M. And then we actually used 3M ceramic coating to protect this thing. If you guys are in Temecula, California, you guys are looking for paint protection film, window tint, or ceramic coatings, come hit us up. Sorry all the cars are driving by. Check out this baby.